Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Inkno. Today in this video we're going to go over some handy tips on how you can use the collaboration space in Class Notebook for different group projects in Microsoft Teams. To get started, we're going to prep that collaboration space in your Class Notebook for a group project. If you haven't set up your Class Notebook yet, you can find a video linked below in the description for a full tutorial. So in Teams, we can go to the Class Notebook pivot at the top and go into our collaboration space. So here I'm going to add in a section for each one of my groups in this group project. So our group project is on inventions, so I'm going to title the name of each section the title of that invention that the students have to do some research on. So I can just click the plus button at the bottom and type in the name and hit OK. And I will do this one more time for my second group and click OK. So now my students can go into their specific group and add in pages for their research. However, I can make these spaces a little bit more restricted so that only students assigned to that section are able to edit that section space. So this is useful so that students aren't mistakenly editing the wrong group project. So to do this, we can go into office.com. And in office.com, you can log in and we need to go to the Class Notebook application. So if it's not in your ribbon on the side, you can click at the bottom into All Apps and find the Class Notebook application. And here we'll want to go into Manage Notebooks, and you can select the notebook that you are editing for that class. And then we'll need to go to the Collaboration Space Permissions. And here we'll be able to edit the students that can edit that section. So we see the two sections that we've just created, and if you need any more, you can add it here very easily. But I'm going to keep these two and we'll go to the pencil at the side, and I'm going to select the first two students to be in this section, and I'm also going to leave the last checkbox down here checked. So this gives read-only access to all students, no matter which group they're in, but only those students assigned to that group can edit that space. So once that's done, you can just hit save, and then you can close it and go back into the permissions to do the same thing for the next group. So I will add the last two students to that group, hit save, and close. So now that students are assigned a space, they'll only have access to edit that space, and they can begin putting in different pages and adding in information from their research. When the group project is completed and students have added in all their information, there are a few different ways that you can view this work and see which students have done what work. So to start, let's go back into the collaboration space. And we'll click on our first section of the group project and go up to the View tab. And in the View tab, we can click the three dots all the way at the end and click Show Authors. This will show you an initial on every line of which student has added which information. So this is a way for you to hold your students accountable and make sure all the students are participating and completing the group project. Another way that you can hold your students accountable is by the page versions. So up here you can click on that and we'll show you the different versions of the page to give you a little bit of insight in the student's step-by-step process of completing their project. And that is a wrap on how to use your collaboration space in Class Notebook through Microsoft Teams for different group projects. If you guys enjoyed the video, you can hit subscribe, and don't forget to check out our other videos specifically in Teams or within Class Notebook. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.